Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the all.com app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. All.com is a hotel booking app that allows travelers to search, compare, and reserve accommodations worldwide. The app integrates features like real-time availability, personalized recommendations, loyalty rewards, curated deals, itinerary management, and multi-device syncing, all designed to make travel planning simple and convenient. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate all.com for its clean interface, fast search functionality, and easy booking process. The loyalty program is a highlight, providing extra benefits and discounts to frequent travelers. The app also helps manage reservations, track cancellations, and access deals that are tailored to individual preferences. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional booking glitches or delays in customer support. While the interface is user-friendly, certain advanced features might feel limited compared to using a desktop browser. The overall experience may vary depending on the user's location and the hotels they are trying to book. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the all.com app may be worth using if you frequently book hotels and want a mobile-friendly, loyalty-driven platform with curated deals and easy itinerary management. It excels in convenience, personalization, and travel rewards. However, if you prefer direct bookings or require extensive customer support, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.